Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to calculate a simple interest in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output of our application, how to calculate the simple interest in Python. The command is py calculate simple interest int.py, my file name.py. When I click enter, notice it's prompting enter the principal amount. I am adding 10,000 and the rate of interest is 2% and the number of periods I am adding 1. And notice here I got the message the interest need to pay 200 with the principal amount 10,000 and the time period in years 1 year.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials. And here we got our folder is added to the VS Explorer. Let me expand this folder. Now inside this folder, I will create a new Python file called calculate simple interest int.py. And here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is how to calculate the simple interest in Python. So first we require, when we want to calculate simple interest, we require the principal amount, rate of interest and the number of years, the period. So let's add those three fields. First I require P, which is a principal amount, input, enter the principal amount. Here I am principal amount, and notice the input string is a string format. So we need to enter into the integer type. After that I require the rate of interest, which I am typecasting with float. Float instead of writing the same thing, copy this one. Here the prompting message I am changing, enter the rate of interest. Interest. Then I require the time period, which is an integer type. Copy this one, enter the time period in years. That's it. Now we got the three fields. Now the formula is, first let's define one variable. Simple interest is a variable, is equals to, the formula is P into n into r. These three variables, not n, this is r, into t divided by 100. That's it. Let's write the final output. Print the interest need to pay simple interest. Let's make it round. Interest need to pay with the principal amount, P, and the time period in years, which is t. That's it. We have done the coding part. We have done the complete coding part. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Now let's check the final output of our application, how to calculate the simple interest in Python. The command is py calculate simple interest int.py, my file name.py. When I click enter, notice it's prompting enter the principal amount. I am adding 10,000 and the rate of interest is 2% and the number of periods I am adding 1. And notice here I got the message the interest need to pay 200 with the principal amount 10,000 and the time period in years 1 year. Again, let's check one more time. This time I am adding 1000. The rate of interest is 3% and enter the time period. I am adding 3 years. When I click enter, notice the interest need to pay 90 with the principal amount 1000 and the time period in 3 years. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to calculate the simple interest in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.